Okay, so if you see this model here is 30 by 30. From the front view, we know that is 30 here. From the base is 30 here. We have an arch, yani a semicircular cut on top that is with radius 5, and a rectangle cut at the bottom. That's 10 by 10. Okay, so let us see how we can do it. Now this whole thing, if I draw it from the front plane, I can draw it in one shot. I choose the front plane. I make like a, I use the line command and I draw like an L. Like a L. Now dimension it using smart dimension. Now here I'm going to try to use a relation. I choose this line and this line, and I tell that both are equal. So automatically the equal command is added. So this is also 10. So see, it gets constrained as soon as you add the relation. So this is 10, this is equal. So I don't have to make another dimension here. So that is done. When I exit the sketch, press Ctrl 7. I go to feature, I boss, change the direction all the way to 30 milli. Enter. F to bring inside the screen. Now if you see this one, we made this in one shot. Okay, now here on this side, I have a sketch that is an arc. That's like a semicircle. So instead of using circle, I'm supposed to use the center point arc. This is the easiest way. So just click on the center point arc and search for the middle point. And then from there, just close to radius 5. Make sure you touch this line. Yellow indication is given as soon as you touch this line. And then just draw an arc all the way until you touch that again. Smart dimension, this is supposed to be 5, radius 5. Now you cannot cut this like this because you need to close the sketch. So I choose the line command and I close this point and this point. So if you see now, the sketch is drawn like that. Okay. So I exit the sketch, features, cut. So automatically I choose the through all here. So it is just cutting the entire surface, like the entire feature like that. I say okay, the cut is done. Now choose this one, say sketch, and then just draw a rectangle. Choose the smart dimension to make it 10 by 10. And then from here, I choose the midpoint. Okay. And then this line, this contour. When I choose both of them, I get options here. If I choose the midpoint, automatically it will get constrained to that midpoint. So I say okay, it's taken. Control 7, you can see the sketch. Exit the sketch, go to extrude cut, through all, say okay. That is it. So we have the sketch, we have the drawing. So all you have to do is you need to just finally color it. That is it. So we have made this very quickly by trying to just use the correct plane and use the relations. So that made it more easier. Thank you.